Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial in graphics in basic R series. In this video tutorial, we are gonna see how to add error bars to the bar chart. Error calculations are an important part of data analysis, and so they are needed to be visualized in graphs or charts. Uh, let's see data on the yearly salary in thousands of 8 employees of 4 different companies. I have this data in CSV format and is already in my working directory here. You can see error bar chart.csv here. And now I'm gonna read this data using read.csv command. If you want to know more about how to read a CSV file in R, please watch my another tutorial for which I have given the link below. Okay, so let's read our data and bring it to the console. Okay, now we have our data. To plot the standard error bars, we need to calculate first the standard errors, SE, and for standard error we need mean and standard deviation of the data. Now we calculate the mean and standard deviation of the data using the apply function, and this function takes 3 arguments. The first one is the data itself, second one is either you want to choose a row or column. I'm choosing the column this time, so my second argument is 2, and this is the thing that you want to do here. I want to calculate the mean first, so let's execute this code. Okay, and this is the mean for mean salary for company 1, company 2, company 3, and company 4. Similarly, let's calculate the standard deviation. Okay, so here we got the standard deviation for the salaries of 8 people from 4 different companies. Now we find the standard error using the equation here. So standard error is equal to standard deviation by square root of the sample size. This time we have 8 employees, so sample size is 8. So our standard error for 8 companies of 8 employees is calculated here. All right, and now we are all set, and before that the standard errors are added to mean as mean plus minus standard error. So we first find the maximum upper limit of the bar chart using the max function. So here this mean plus standard deviation is the y value in our bar chart, and we want to take the maximum value for that, so that we can set the y limit of the chart later. So let's see what is the maximum value. It is 81.42, so 85 is my reasonable y limit, and I have used that limit here while plotting the bar chart. And this time to plot the bar chart, as usual, we can use the bar plot function. Here the first argument here, or the height of the bar chart, height of the bars, is the mean value of 8 employees, and this is the limit from 0 to 85. As I told earlier, this is the limit that is coming from this maximum value of the y-axis, and this is the title for the chart using the main option. So let's see our chart. Okay, so this is the bar chart. Bar chart alone, we haven't created any error bars up to now, and here we noticed that we gave a name BP to our plot. We will use this value to determine the coordinates for error bars, and actually it is a matrix with 4 values. that corresponds to the position of the bar on the x-axis. So let's see these four values. Okay, so 0.7, 1.9, 3.1, and 4.3. So these are the x values for the bars. Now we plot the error bars by using the segments function. Here, this is the x value, and this is the mean plus standard error. Again, this is the x value, and this is mean minus the standard error. So let's execute this line of code. Okay, so we have the error bars now for each of the bars, and we can add the crossbars to these error bars. Crossbars means small tiny lines here and here. So we have two types of crossbar: the top crossbars and the bottom crossbars. To create the top crossbars, we use a mean plus standard deviation, and in mean plus standard deviation both cases. And these crossbars, for these crossbars, the value normally taken is plus minus 1, and this seems to work well with most of the bar charts. So let's execute this line of code and see how top crossbars are added. Okay, so we added top crossbars for each of the error bars, and similarly let's execute this line of code for the bottom crossbar. All right, we got them right here for all of the error bars. And finally we can add a box around the plot using the box function. All right, so so we have created the bar chart and also added corresponding error bars for each of the bars in this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video.